Hey guys, Josie here. Gonna show you how to download a wallet for a coin that you want to get, as that was the request on last night's call. So what you want to do is go up here to search currencies, put in the coin that you want to download the wallet for. I actually have HTML coins because I like the project. So I am going to actually download the wallet for this one because I'm going to need it either way. So what you want to do is you want to go to either here, either you want to go here to the website or here under announcement. Either one of these two will go ahead and tell you where you can find your wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on website. All right, once you get to the website, what you want to do is look at the tab that says wallet. Mine is right here. Sometimes you just have to go down on the screen. You'll find it as well. Sometimes it'll be under another tab. So just click on wallet once you find it. As you can see, they have a Windows wallet, one for the Mac. They have a GitHub one, and the Android one's coming soon. Sometimes you'll see a paper wallet over here. Paper wallet is exactly that. If you click on it, you download it, you get a document with a long whole bunch of digits and numbers as your private key that you can send your coins to, and you can print that out and put it in your safe if you want. But I'm going to get the Windows wallet for right now, so I'll click on Windows. That's going to go ahead and download. As you can see, it says, what do you want to do with the setup? I want to save it, so I'm going to click on save right here. Let me make sure you guys can see that. See, this might come up right here, or you might get a download down in here. But what I want to do is I want to save it. So that's what I'm going to click on now. Save. It's going to run a little security scan. So I'm going to wait for that. All right, so it finished loading. I'm sorry, this is cut off here a little bit. When I started the recording, let me see if I can move that down. Oh, there we go. So there you go. So right now it finished downloading. So I am going to run the wallet, and it's going to come up. Okay, on the other tab, it came up, this came up saying, do I want to give HTML coin permission to run on my computer? But since that came up on the the desktop, it didn't come up on the recording for some reason. But you just click yes. This is for every single coin, runs just about the same way. So the way I am downloading the wallet, for the Windows wallet for this coin, you can do it for your coin as well that you're interested in. So you give it permission to download on your computer. You say yes. You're going to get this screen. Just click next. Where do you want to put it? You can just click next. I just go ahead and say install. So now, as you can see, it is installing the folder onto my computer. Did it pretty fast. Once it's completed, you just say next. Keep that checked right there so it can run right away, and click on finish. All right, now the wallet's going to come up. Okay, so it says this is the first time that I launched it. You can choose where I want the store to be data, where HTML coin core will store its data. So I'm going to go ahead and use the default directory. That's fine. I'm going to say OK. And it's going to run through its system. It's going to build the wallet. It's going to put the blockchain on there. As you can see, it says loading wallet right now. And then the wallet's going to be loaded in just a few minutes, depending on the speed of your computer, of course. Okay, so now my wallet is loaded. This is the wallet for my coin, HTML coin, as you can see right here. And all of them are kind of set up the same. This one has it this way. My electric wallet has it this way as far as the wording, and I'll show you that wallet as well. It tells you right here how many HTML coins I have. Obviously, I have nothing because I just opened up this wallet with you guys. But before you start sending anything, I want you to notice this right here. Let me see if I can get my little pencil out. Okay, so this right here, where it says 19 weeks behind, you have to wait until this catches up, which can take a few minutes or it can take a few hours, depending on how many weeks you are behind. This is actually the blockchain right here loading onto your wallet. So right now is synchronizing, and you have to wait until it is synced at 100% before you send any of your coins. If you notice this little wiggly line right here, it says 0 active connections to the network, click to disable. So this is trying to connect right now to the to HTML. Now it says 1 active connection. And now you see it's got another little squidgy line here saying that it's catching up. So now I'm down to 11 weeks behind. So until this is synced, you have to wait until this is fully synced. And you have to wait until this catches up to your 100%. You see I'm only at 29% right now. Once this is at 100%, then you can start sending your coins to your wallet. Do not try to send your coins to your wallet until they're synced 100% because your coins can get lost on the blockchain. Once they are lost, it's very hard to recover them. So that's numero uno. Make sure that you are synced 100% to your wallet. Make sure this line here, as you can see, it's syncing up here. You have an active connection. Once that's all done, then you can click on the receive right here. Then what's going to happen is that you are going to get an address. And I will show you that in 1 second. Okay, so I clicked on the little hide button that was here that was blocking this whole section. So if you click on overview, I'll tell you how much is available, how much is pending, and your total once you start sending them here. If you click on send, that's going to be the address who you're going to send it to. So if you send it back into Binance or whatever exchange your coin is at, you will put that here. Here you will put down how much you want to send and so forth. And then you can put a description if you want. And then you will click on send if you want to send it back to the exchange. Click on receive. As you can see, it says use this form to request payments. All fields are optional. So what I want to do is that I need an address to send my coins to this wallet. So I will click on here to get the address. Actually, you know what? It's here where it says HRC token. So I will click on add token. It's going to tell you what my token address is. And if I hit this drop down box, that's my address right here to receive my tokens. So I will copy this address. It says this is your wallet address, which will be tied to the token for send and receive operations. So this is my token address. I will copy this and I will put that to my Binance or wherever this token is at. And you will withdraw your tokens. So let's say this was on Binance, right? So you go to Binance, you will click on this coin, you will click on withdraw, you will say how much you want to withdraw, you will put in this address here, and then remember you gotta wait until this is fully synced at 100%, and then you will send it to this address. Now my other wallet, which I'm gonna show you that one. Let me see, payment information. Okay, here's the same thing here. So if you go to, let me click that out. So if you go to receive, which is the same way I do it to my Electro wallet, which I'll show you. You click on, so this is number 1, receive. Click on request payment. And then here's the address, which is the same one as the other one. So then I can copy this here. And I can see copy address. And then that's the address that I would put on Binance. This one is actually on a site called Blue Trade. But you will go to that site. Like, okay, let me go to Blue Trade. I'll show you. Even though my connection here is a little slow, but I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay, this is the site that I have my coins on. As you can see, it's got the market right here. So I'm going to log in just to show you how it's done. Give me 1 second and I'll log in. All right, so here I am on Blue Trade on my account. And here are my HTML coins. They're super cheap. They was like 0.0001. So I ended up getting 26,000 of them for like $5 or something. But I just thought the concept was cool, so that's what I got. But I'm just using this for an example. I'm not telling you guys to go out and buy it. But for here, I will click on withdraw, right? Click on withdraw. Now it's going to say, how much do I want to withdraw? Let's say I want to, see, because whatever you put on your wallet, you're not going to use it for a while, right? So if I don't, let's say I'm not going to trade any of this, or let's say I want to keep half in here, so I want to exchange it later on. I can say, okay, well, I only want to send 10,000. Now, when you first do your wallet, do the minimum that you can send, do a test. So let's say 10 or 5 right now, right? Now they're going to always check the fees, because look, they're going to charge me 1 for every transaction I do. Sometimes, like with Tron charges you almost 40% sometimes of what you're sending. So sometimes it's not worth putting it on the wallet. So make sure you check those fees, because those fees can kill you. So I want to send 10. How about if I want to send 100? See, if I want to send 1,000, if I want to send 10,000, they're only going to charge me 1 no matter how much I send. So that's actually not bad, because it's not even a penny to send out. So you want to do 10 either way, or 5. It's asking me for my wallet destination. Again, you're going to go back to your wallet. Where's our wallet at? Oh, here it is. Go back to your wallet. We're going to say request payment. I put in my wallet address here. Copy. Let's get out of there. Let's say paste. Description, you can put whatever you want. I'm going to say Windows wallet test. Put in my password in there, which I'm not going to tell you crazy kids out there. I've got my Google Authenticator set up. So I'm going to put that in there. I'll say OK, withdraw. Okay, and you see right here, your withdrawal has been, oh, you know what? Was I even synced? I might have jumped ahead. Synchronizing with network, it seems like it's 100%. Let's look on here. 2 active connections. I might have gotten lucky, but see, I did something I told you guys not to do. Make sure you're still catching up. So I might be okay. Good thing it was only 10. But you want to make sure that you're no weeks behind, that you're all caught up here. We should be good to go, though. No worries. And there was only 10. That doesn't even cost me a penny right now, so it's not a big deal. But that's going to catch up. What I'll do is that I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to allow this to catch up. See if it shows the 10 on here. And then that's how you go ahead and send coins to your wallet. So as you can see, it says please verify your withdrawal address. We cannot refund the incorrect address. So make sure, and that's why I told you guys, make sure your wallet address is correct. Wait until it's fully synced, and then go ahead and send it through. But if you send it to the wrong wallet, you see that telling you right there, they cannot refund if you send it to the wrong wallet. So take your time. There's no rush sending stuff to your wallet. So it's been scheduled, and we are good to go as far as this little test. Once that catches up, I'm going to pause the video. Once it catches up, I'll show you my wallet with the 10 inside. As you can see right now, it says we have nothing, but it should say 10 once this catches up, which should be in a little bit. And then I'll pause the video and I'll show you the 10. But that is how you will withdraw your funds from your exchange to your wallet. Okay, we'll be right back in a little bit as soon as this catches up. While we are waiting for this to sync up, it seems about every 3 minutes or so it syncs up to we're closer to syncing up. But I want to show you some other things. If you go to File right up here, you can actually click on receiving address or addresses, because you can have different ones, from right here instead of trying to go through the tabs. So you click on receiving address, and then these are different addresses that you can use. You can use whichever one you want. So you can start from the top, and if you want to make separate ones, you can. Let's say this one's for me, this is for my son, this is for my daughter, this is for my husband. You can do it that way if you want. And you can click on label, but that's one way for you. It says right click to edit address or label. So you can go ahead and do that if you want to receive, to get your address. Also, people were asking, okay, well, now I have it on my computer, but I want to do a backup, which we suggest you always do a backup wallet. So go to File, click on Backup Wallet, and then from here, you can take your wallet and you can go ahead and put it in a file name, or you can change it. If you have the USB that we keep telling you guys about, you can go ahead and connect your USB and send it to that drive if you want. Or you can do it here on the computer. You can put it on your desktop as your a desktop, and then from the desktop, that's going to be one backup, and then do a copy from the desktop to your USB. That'll be your second backup. Just different ways for you guys to go ahead and back up your wallets, so that you don't, if you do lose them or one gets corrupted, at least you have other wallets to work with. So again, you go to File, Backup Wallet, and then from there you go to where you want to send your wallet, to your desktop, or if you put in your USB, you can send it in that way as well. Okay, we are down to 6 weeks, so a couple more minutes and we should be good to go. While we're waiting for the other coin to load up, just wanted to show you my Electro wallet. Again, this is another coin that was like 0.0001 of a cent when I bought it. So just bought it because there's a good community behind Electra. Again, not telling you guys to do it, but this is a coin that I got because I like the project. But I've got 3,699 on here. The test, as you can see, I sent 99 first. On the 25th, that went through just fine. So then I went ahead and sent the rest of it over. But you can see that this has the send and receive up here, unlike the other coin that had them going this way. But every wallet is just about the same. You would just click on receive. There's the address for me, so I would just copy this wallet here. Click on copy address down here. And then I would send that over to Binance or wherever Electro was at, and then do the same steps. From there, I would just wait. Electro was actually pretty fast. They sent it over in less than 5 minutes. I was super impressed with how fast that was done. Again, once it syncs, right? We can't do anything until it syncs. So that's the way to do it that way. This one, so I can bring this down a little bit. You can see right here that it's synchronizing with the network. It's got 348 blocks remaining for it to sync. This one has a little arrow thing over here saying it's catching up. But all of them have a different type of arrow, wiggly line. This one has this blue one down here. So once that catches up and this tells you that it is synced 100%, at that time you can go ahead and send your coins over to the wallet. So as you can see right here on the wallet, it says it is out of sync. So you don't want to send anything until this part is gone, and then you'll be good to go. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that part as here's our other wallet. Let me get rid of this one. Here's our other wallet. Got about 2 weeks behind, so we're almost there. This one has the same thing circling right here. There you go. So almost there. 2 weeks behind there, and then we should see our 10 show up right over here once that is fully synced. All right, guys, we are all synchronized, and as you can see, boom, there goes our 9 that we sent. So our test is good. We're good to go. Here it tells you the day and the time that it was put in, tells you how many you added, and you are good to go. So that is how you download your wallet. That is how you send your coins from an exchange to your wallet. And that is how you do your backup and everything else. So this is Josie from Chicago. Hope you guys learned something, and we'll see you on the next video.